Stop scrolling for a moment because what you are about to learn could radically elevate your health, your energy, and your ability to fight disease. And if you truly care about taking control of your body's future, do not miss a single word of what comes next. We often talk about immunity as if it were an independent machine, powered solely by supplements, nutrition, or exercise. But the truth is far more fascinating and far more urgent. Sleep is the core operating system of your immunity. Without enough of it, your body doesn't just get tired, it becomes vulnerable. Your immune defenses slow down, your ability to fight infections weakens, and your internal balance collapses silently from the inside out. Sleep is not passive. It is not pause mode. It is an active, intelligent, deeply coordinated biological operation that determines how strong or fragile your immune system will be tomorrow morning. Every night, while you lie still, your body enters a full-scale maintenance process, repairing tissues, recalibrating hormones, and mobilizing immune cells with surgical precision. During deep sleep stages, something extraordinary happens. Your body increases the production of cytokines, the messenger proteins that help fight inflammation, infection, and stress. These cytokines act like strategic commanders issuing orders to immune cells, telling them where to go and what threats to eliminate. When sleep is disrupted, cytokine production drops, and your immune defense becomes less organized and less responsive. In simple terms, poor sleep makes your immune system less reliable. On top of that, sleep influences the way T cells, the elite soldiers of your immunity, attach to infected cells. Research shows that a lack of sleep reduces the ability of T cells to stick to their targets, delaying the body's response to threats. So when you cut short your sleep, you are not just missing rest, you are weakening the soldiers responsible for keeping you alive. Then comes melatonin, a hormone people often misunderstand. It's not just a sleep hormone, it's a powerful antioxidant that protects tissues, regulates immune responses, and supports the function of natural killer cells. It helps suppress harmful inflammation while boosting the body's natural healing abilities. But melatonin only rises in darkness. Late-night screen exposure, lights left on, or inconsistent bedtime routines directly sabotage your body's natural production of this essential molecule, limiting one of your strongest biological allies. Another critical piece of the puzzle is immune memory. Your immune system learns from every single pathogen it encounters, but it consolidates that learning during sleep. While you rest, your brain and immune system communicate intensely, a process that strengthens your ability to fight familiar threats and respond faster to new ones. Without this nightly consolidation, your immunity becomes clumsy, slow, and less adaptive. Imagine trying to store information on a hard drive that's running out of space and never properly saving the files. That is exactly what happens when you sleep poorly, and the consequences don't stop there. Lack of sleep elevates cortisol, the stress hormone that, in high doses, suppresses immune function. Long-term elevation of cortisol weakens your defenses, increases inflammation, disturbs your gut microbiome, and destabilizes hormone balance. It's no surprise that people who are chronically sleep-deprived experience more frequent colds, slower recovery after illness, higher inflammation levels, and greater risk of chronic disease. Speaking of the gut, more than 70% of your immune cells live inside your gastrointestinal tract. Sleep is essential for maintaining balance within the gut microbiota, which directly influences immunity, digestion, mood, and long-term disease resistance. Poor sleep disrupts gut bacteria, increases intestinal permeability, and releases inflammatory toxins into your bloodstream. This forces your immune system into constant overdrive, leaving it exhausted when a real threat appears. Even your energy levels, mental clarity, and emotional resilience are tied to sleep. When you feel drained, irritable, or demotivated, it's often not a mindset issue, it's a biological one. Sleep regulates neurotransmitters, hormones, and energy production, giving your immune system the strength it needs to operate at full capacity. Without adequate rest, your body's protective forces run at half power, even if you eat perfectly and exercise daily. The most powerful truth is this: sleep is the one health tool you use every day that costs nothing, requires no equipment, and influences every system in your body. Yet, it's the one tool people sacrifice the most. But the good news is that immunity responds quickly to sleep improvements. Even a few nights of high-quality rest can recalibrate your system, reduce inflammation, strengthen antibody production, and enhance your body's ability to attack viruses and harmful bacteria. To strengthen the sleep-immunity connection, you can implement simple, effective habits, establish a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Dim the lights at night to stimulate melatonin naturally. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed to protect your circadian rhythm. Keep your bedroom cool and dark, optimizing deep rest. Limit caffeine after mid-afternoon so the nervous system can relax. Use calming routines such as breathing exercises, light stretching, or reading. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime to prevent internal overload. These adjustments aren't complicated, but they are transformative. Your immune system responds immediately to better sleep, repairing damage, boosting strength, and improving long-term resilience. Sleep is not optional. It is not something you fit in when you have time. It is the foundation of immunity, vitality, mental clarity, and longevity. Every hour of high-quality sleep is an investment in a stronger, healthier version of yourself. If you want a body that defends you, protects you, and sustains you through every challenge, the decision is simple: honor your sleep. Treat it like the life-saving biological process that it is. Because when you restore your nights, you rebuild your immune power from the inside out. And if you're ready to master your health at the next level, keep going. What comes next can elevate your life more than you ever imagined.